This is the Cookie Monster. Segway. Yeah, we had started the company in March, and the first day of the truck was on July 3rd, and we did a big 4th of July event, 3rd of the July event in Danvers, Mass. And then our second day was the 4th of July event in Boston. So we started with a bang, and that's Demir in action. She's our #1 girl. We have all our different flavors. We got red velvet, the peanut butter, oatmeal coconut, sugar cookie, butterscotch potato chip. So we still have hundreds of people a day that come out to get a cookie when it's 20 degrees outside. So I bow my hat to them. I'm not gonna juice this up in the video. This is gonna be an actual Cookie Monster ice cream cookie. Yeah, hands down the most popular is the chocolate chunk, and we put a ton of chocolate in there, and it's high quality chocolate, so there's never a where's the chocolate in the cookie dilemma. And then some people really like the peanut butter. That's probably our second most popular special that we don't have every day.
The hardest part about scooping in the winter is the spoons get cold and they freeze to the ice cream before you can eat the ice cream.
And I don't know, the Snickerdoodle's more popular than I thought it would be. It's so weird. You like to think everybody's going to get a chocolate chunk, but everybody likes something different. That's right. If you want, you can go to thecookiemonster.com, and if you go onto our truck page, it has where we're at Monday through Friday. And if you want to order any cookies online, we ship them anywhere in the country.